Hello, everyone. Today, I am sharing with you a spring refresh in our guest bathroom. Super excited because I've never shared this room with you before. And also, we have family coming to visit, and I want this room to be extra special. So, this is the before look of this room, and you guys just wait until you see how beautiful it is now with just a few intentional details that makes this room sparkle. So I was in the market for a new shower curtain, which I knew would be my decorating inspiration, and I found something that I fell in love with, but the price was way out of my budget. So I went to different sites, put in the description of the curtains that I fell in love with, and I was given options based on my search criteria. And you guys, I found another option that still gave me all the feels, but for a lot less money. And here it is. I was looking for something in a soft blue or green with a floral pattern without being too loud, and these curtains check all the boxes. They are giving a soft yet elegant appearance, which is exactly what is needed in our monochromatic bathroom. And something else, I actually purchased curtains and not shower curtains. Your space, your rules. Just make sure that you have the shower curtain liner in place and you will be okay. You guys leave in the comments and let me know if you have ever used or consider using curtains instead of shower curtains in your bath as well. Now, I will tell you this did require that I use a double shower curtain rod, one for the liner and one for the curtains. Now that the curtains are on the rod, join me in the guest bathroom because it's time to decorate. This is what you do when you find something that you fall in love with, but is simply way out of budget. You use that as your inspiration to find something within your budget, as I did with these curtains. I could not have asked for a better result. This room has been beautifully transformed and ready to welcome our family. By sticking to my budget and making some intentional design decisions, I was able to create a space that we just want to live in. If you enjoyed this video and the other videos that I'm bringing you here on this channel, please do remember to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate your support, and it goes such a long way with the growth of my channel. Thank you guys so very much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.